So, hello, I'm back. I'm gonna answer this question kung ba't hindi ako nakakapag-upload recently. And of course, about tech. I stopped uploading videos kasi I had to focus more on my career because I am currently studying and taking my master's degree. So, medyo na-busy ako and I also had to go to campus. I also I need to attend or go to different countries to go to my clients. Kasi nga, diba, sabi ko sa inyo, I had different clients from Asia Pacific and other regions as well. And also, na-busy ako kasi nga, I'm planning to take a different path na malayo sa IT after 2 years. So, I have to be ready for that. So, medyo hindi ako nakakapag-reply sa mga comments nyo. And to tell you honestly, I stopped advising thesis for now. Kasi before, I do thesis advising and also I do thesis paneling. I got invites. I have received invites to be a guest speaker, but unfortunately, I'm too busy to cater that. So, apologies on that. But I really do appreciate some of you na nag-aabang ng updates ko with regards to tech, right? And the questions that you have for me. But I'll try my best. I just had to I had to uninstall TikTok lang before so I can focus on my studies, my work. Plus, yeah, because I have business. I'm currently in Singapore. I go to different countries as well. I meet my clients. So, those kinds of things. So, the busy lang talaga ako. But I'll try my best. I'll try my best to answer your questions here. Yun lang.